Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong.
What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Two-Ton, and today's recipe is to substitute the turkey you don't like on Thanksgiving Day. So this is a recipe with a whole chicken roasted with garlic, herbs, and lots of butter. This recipe is for you if you not like turkey. So now let's get to cooking. Let's go.
Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we're setting sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone,
Let's check it out. Look at that chicken. Here I have the thermometer. You can get one of these on Amazon, and you can check out the link up above that I did a unboxing and review. Let's stick it in the chicken. Oh yeah, it is good. 165. Man, that is cooked. So now we're gonna take it out, and then we let it sit for 5-10 minutes, and then we get to eating.
when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there.
So here we go, guys. The finished product right here, still smoking, so juicy. I had to cut some off. Here was the big piece I cut off. Look, steaming hot. See that? Looks delicious, huh? First bite. So much flavor, not overpowering with the seasoning and the herbs. Very, very delicious, so good. The meat's so tender. Make sure when you take it out of the oven, you let it sit for 10-15 minutes. Let all that moisture, settle down, and then you can carve into it. All right, guys, make sure you check out the thermometer on Amazon. I'll put the link up above or down below in the description, and check out my recipe. Let me know if you like it in the description. Make sure you push the subscribe button if you like my style of cooking, and click the like button for this video. All right, till next time, I'm out. Bye.
Close to the sun.